Hello and welcome to episode 10 of Cooking and Concocting, and our fourth special episode. And today we're Hello and welcome to episode 1 of Cooking and Kidnapping. Today we are making the finale.
Do it now!
First, 2 cups flour into a mixing bowl.
1 tablespoon baking powder.
Next we got half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix.
In a second mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of sugar and 1 stick of butter. And mix. And mix.
3 eggs to your flour mixture. What are with these eggs?
Now add 1 cup of milk.
Add your sugar and butter into your flour mixture. And mix. Next, we're gonna make the creamy white frosting. Now I'll be right back. I'll correct it later.
I don't know what he's doing, but we're gonna add 1 stick of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Next up we got 5 cups of sugar.
Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Next up we got 1/4 cup of milk.
Half a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
And mix.
Alright, I think we did a good job with the frosting.
What about my frosting? Cover a 9-inch baking cake pan in wax paper.
Put your cake batter into your cake pan a little bit over halfway. Now that we baked our cake, now we frost it. Now give it a taste and a rating.
8 out of 10.